why you should add oregano to your diet immediately. Oregano, a fragrant herb commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine, is more than just a flavor enhancer. This humble herb, known scientifically as Origanum vulgare, has a rich history of culinary and medicinal use. From its potent antioxidant properties to its antimicrobial effects, oregano offers a myriad of health benefits. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Let's explore the remarkable advantages of incorporating oregano into your diet and lifestyle. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Oregano is packed with antioxidants, compounds that help combat oxidative stress and protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Key antioxidants found in oregano include rosmarinic acid and thymol. These substances help reduce inflammation and can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Number 2. Antimicrobial properties. One of oregano's most notable benefits is its strong antimicrobial properties. Oregano oil, extracted from the leaves of the plant, contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol that are effective against a variety of pathogens, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This makes oregano oil a popular natural remedy for infections and a natural preservative in food products. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health issues, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and certain cancers. Oregano's anti-inflammatory properties are primarily due to its high content of antioxidants and compounds like carvacrol. Regular consumption of oregano can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Number 4. Digestive health. Oregano has been traditionally used to support digestive health. The herb can stimulate the production of bile, aiding in the digestion of fats and improving gut health. Oregano's antimicrobial properties also help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for optimal digestive function. Number 5. Respiratory health. Oregano has been used as a natural remedy for respiratory ailments for centuries. The herb's essential oil can help relieve symptoms of coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help clear respiratory infections and reduce congestion. Number 6. Nutrient-rich. In addition to its medicinal properties, oregano is a nutrient-rich herb. It is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, calcium, iron, and manganese. These nutrients are essential for maintaining bone health, supporting the immune system, and ensuring proper bodily functions. Number 7. Blood sugar control. Emerging research suggests that oregano may help regulate blood sugar levels. Compounds in oregano can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes, making it a beneficial herb for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Number 8. Cancer-fighting potential. Preliminary studies have indicated that oregano may have anti-cancer properties. The herb's antioxidants and compounds like carvacrol and thymol have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis in some cancer cell lines. While more research is needed, these findings are promising. Number 9. Skin health. Oregano oil is often used topically to treat skin conditions. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective against acne, psoriasis, and eczema. The oil can also promote wound healing and reduce the risk of infection. Number 10. Versatile culinary ingredient. Beyond its health benefits, oregano is a versatile and delicious addition to a variety of dishes. Its robust flavor enhances soups, stews, sauces, and meat dishes. Fresh or dried, oregano can elevate the taste and nutritional value of your meals. Number 11. Aid with depression. Merely consuming oregano or taking it as a supplement will not serve as a remedy for depression. Research on the effect of oil of oregano or oregano essential oil on brain health predominantly involves animal subjects. One such study indicated that rats subjected to chronic, unpredictable stress over 24 days exhibited less depressive-like behavior when given oregano essential oil in comparison to the control group. Specifically, they showed reduced immobility in a forced swim test. Number 12. Other possible health benefits. Using oregano and its oil extract might promote gut health by possibly combating bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori, which is associated with peptic ulcers and stomach cancer. Oregano chemicals that may lessen coughing, aid in digestion, promote wound healing, and combat candida infections. However, there is limited scientific research on humans, so further studies are necessary. Consult your healthcare provider if you are considering using oregano oil supplements. Number 13. Cholesterol management. Research featured in the Journal of International Medical Research indicates that using oregano oil supplements may enhance cholesterol levels. The study involved 48 participants with mild hyperlipidemia who were advised to adopt lifestyle changes and a low-fat diet. Out of these, 32 individuals were instructed to take 25 milliliters of oregano distillate after each meal for a duration of 3 months, while the remaining 16 participants served as the control group. At the end of the 3-month period, the study group showed significantly higher increases in high-density lipoprotein cholesterol and more marked reductions in low-density lipoprotein cholesterol compared to the control group. Well, that is all about the health benefits of oregano. However, here are some frequently asked questions about oregano. Let's check it out. Question 1. What is oregano? Oregano is a perennial herb belonging to the mint family Lamiaceae. It is widely used in cooking for its aromatic leaves, which have a strong, pungent flavor. Oregano is a staple in Italian, Greek, and Mediterranean cuisines. Question 2. Is oregano safe for everyone to consume? Oregano is generally safe for most people when used in culinary amounts. However, some individuals may be allergic to oregano. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare provider before using oregano in medicinal amounts. Question 3. Can oregano oil be used for medicinal purposes? Oregano oil is often used as a natural remedy due to its potent antimicrobial properties. It can be used to treat infections, improve gut health, and support the immune system. However, oregano oil is very concentrated and should be used with caution, diluted properly, and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Question 4. Can I use dried oregano in place of fresh oregano? Yes, dried oregano can be used in place of fresh oregano. The general substitution ratio is 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano equals 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, as dried herbs are more concentrated in flavor. Question 5. How is oregano used in cooking? Oregano is commonly used to season sauces, soups, stews, and meat dishes. It pairs well with tomatoes, olive oil, and grilled vegetables. Fresh oregano can be used as a garnish or added to salads, while dried oregano is often used in spice blends like Italian seasoning. Question 6. What varieties of oregano are there? There are several varieties of oregano, including Greek oregano, Origanum vulgare, Italian oregano, Origanum ex majoricum, and Syrian oregano, Origanum syriacum. Each variety has a slightly different flavor profile, with Greek oregano being the most pungent and widely used in cooking. Question 7. How should I store oregano? Fresh oregano should be stored in the refrigerator, either wrapped in a damp paper towel or placed in a glass of water, covered loosely with a plastic bag. Dried oregano should be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, and can last up to 6 months for the best flavor. Question 8. How can I grow oregano at home? Oregano is easy to grow at home, both in the garden and in containers. It prefers well-drained soil and full sun. Oregano can be propagated from seeds, cuttings, or by dividing mature plants. Regular pruning encourages bushy growth and more abundant leaves. Question 9. Can oregano be used in herbal teas? Yes, oregano can be used to make herbal tea. Oregano tea is known for its potential health benefits, such as aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and providing relief from cold symptoms. Simply steep fresh or dried oregano leaves in hot water for several minutes to make the tea. Question 10. What vitamins are in oregano? Although oregano is usually used sparingly, it is rich in essential nutrients. Just 1 teaspoon of dried oregano can provide approximately 8% of your daily requirement for vitamin K. Question 11. Are oregano and ajwain the same? Oregano and ajwain are different. Ajwain, also known as Trachispermum ammi, belongs to the Apiaceae family, and its seeds are used in cooking for their flavor. It is also referred to as bishop's weed. Both the leaves and seeds of ajwain are used in culinary preparations. Question 12. Can I boil oregano leaves and drink them? Put oregano in boiling water and let it steep for 3 minutes. When it reaches your preferred taste, pour the liquid into a mug and mix in the honey until it dissolves. Question 13. Is oregano safe to take daily? With its high carvacrol content, oregano oil shows potential in treating bacterial infections when used on the skin. However, because of safety and toxicity issues, oregano essential oil should not be ingested unless advised by a healthcare professional. Question 14. Does oregano reduce belly fat? Oregano oil contains carvacrol, which supports weight loss and helps to reduce visceral. This herb is effective for trimming down those extra around the abdomen. Question 15. Is oregano good for the kidneys? A recent study demonstrated that Origanum vulgare essential oil has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and it safeguards kidney tissue DNA from damage caused by exposure to aflatoxin B1. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.